Right guys, this is the last bit of help you're going to get from me. My old torque wrench has now been reset on 40 feet-pounds. In case anybody's seen the video of this tire being torqued before, it's on a different nut now. So the torque wrench is going to stay in view of the camera, and everything you're going to see now is factual. Keep watching. £40
No, but it was over there.
Sorry, that's the slack in the spanner. Halfway. It takes a lot more pulling though. Now the piece of resistance for the idiots out there. Now watch, to show you that after you've gone over the click, if you keep pulling, you get more torque. There you go. If you're that stupid, you can't understand that, then I suggest getting a coffee and don't kill yourself because you've got no life ahead of you.